Hey guys, how's it going? This house here is just down the road from my house, about 3 houses down from where I live. I heard they were tearing it down, so I figured I'd come down here and investigate a little bit. A raccoon actually just come charging down this path right here and ran right down into the ditch. So I will have to be very mindful that the little guy doesn't just jump out at me, but I don't think that's going to happen, honestly. He's down there somewhere. But, yeah, they got a fire in the back because the back of the house is completely gone. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there is a machine in the back. So there you go. Figured I'd put together this little video and kind of document what's going on in the neighborhood. And the gondolas from Billy's. Oh yeah, look at it all. It is windy out here, so I do apologize for the wind noise on the mic. Oh yeah, the back of the house is completely gone. Check that out. And of course, these gondolas come from Billy's, located in Saginaw. Do a little free advertising for them. There you go. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Peace.